Hello, dear friends. Today's video is going to be very interesting. Today we'll be looking at a new free coin giveaway campaign, and I'll walk you through step by step how to claim your share and how to make the most of this airdrop. So be sure to watch the video to the end to understand what's going on and how you can participate. First, open your browser and go to the uselesscoin.com. This is the official website where the airdrop is currently taking place. Once you land on the site, you'll, of course, be greeted and given all the necessary information about the coin. And yes, this airdrop is time limited, so don't play around with it. Hurry up. Below the site, you'll see live transactions showing other users receiving airdrops. At the top, there's a Connect Wallet button. Click it and connect a Solana wallet, such as Phantom or Sulfur. After clicking, a small pop-up window will appear with all compatible wallets, such as the Software Wallet, Phantom Wallet, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase. If you click on the All Wallets section right here, you'll see all the compatible wallets that most people use, so your wallet will definitely be there. Once you find and connect your wallet, the system will verify your eligibility, determine how many free tokens you can get, and show you all the details. If you're happy with everything, just click Continue, and you're all set. The free tokens are now in your wallet. I had $6,452 in Solana tokens in my wallet, and I was credited $1,600 in worthless tokens. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how much you got.